Introducing the 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van is still under 75,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including front and rear reading lights, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.